Alright, the first step you're going to want to do is remove that bolt. It's called the shoulder bolt. Once the bolt is out, set it to the side. You're going to need it. You're going to pull the door latch out, removing it from the small little spring. Try to keep part of that spring still inside where it's at. If you cannot, go ahead and take it right out. Keeping in mind which way you pulled that spring out, because it needs to go back in the same way. Grabbing the new or the replacement latch with the beveled side up. You're going to start with the spring, putting it in like that, bringing it around, lining it up with the hole, holding it down with your thumb, bringing it back over to the door. Line that spring up. It's got a hook on it. You're going to go in that small little hole there, swinging it back around, pressing it down, sliding it in under the door lip. Take the shoulder bolt. You're going to, after you line the spring up with the hole, because there's a hole in the spring, you're going to line that up with the hole on the bracket or the latch. Sliding the shoulder bolt in till it's just so it's seated just a little bit. Using the flathead screwdriver, you're going to then tighten that in. Sometimes that spring will move on you. You can just kind of push it around using actually with the screwed, the shoulder bolt itself. Once it's back tightened up, you're going to check its operation just by pushing down, making sure it's springing back up. That's the real key right there, is you want to spring back up. Test the door handle. What you're watching for is that to engage right there. When you press this down, you'll see that it'll snap, just like that. That's it. You can go ahead and put the insulation back in, put the cover back on, and you're ready to go.